we guide you through how to use Google Wallet. First, download Google Wallet from the Google Play Store if it's not already installed on your Android device. Then open and sign in with a Google account if prompted. Tap Add to Wallet. Choose whether you want to add a credit card, debit card, transit pass, loyal card, or other supported item. Then follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card with your bank if required. Once your card is verified, it will be ready for contactless payments anywhere and Google Wallet is accepted. To pay in stores, simply unlock your phone and hold it near the payment terminal until you see the confirmation. You can also use Google Wallet to store boarding passes, event tickets, and loyalty card for quick access whenever you need them.